Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we are going to start the new unit Time Together. Poem My Reading Buddy. Children, what do you think the poem would be about? When I read the headline of the poem, I thought the poem would be about two friends who read, shared, and spent quality time together. Children, do you have a reading buddy? Or do you like to read alone? Children, I would like to share about me. Yes, I have a reading buddy, that is my mother. When I remember my childhood days, only one picture often I can see, that is, I and my mother used to read storybooks together, and it brings smile on my face. I still remember those stories which I read, Shivaji Maharaj stories, Akbar Birbal stories, Panchatantra stories, etc. But right now my mother not stays with me, so I used to read alone. Children, would you like to have a reading buddy? My answer is yes, definitely I would like to have a reading buddy. Children, open page number 69. Time Together. Poem name My Reading Buddy. Children, let us read the poem. My dog is my reading buddy. Together we read and study. He always answers each of my question as if that's his profession. But the real fun will begin when he gets down to writing. All over the notebook and his chin, it is his saliva he is dropping. My dog is my best friend. All my mistakes he does mend. Whenever I spell something wrong, correcting it does not take him long. He wipes it with drool. Believe me, it is super cool. This poem has written by Vishnu Kant. Children, let us recite the poem. My reading buddy. My dog is my reading buddy. Together we read and study. He always answers each of my question as if that's his profession. But the real fun will begin when he gets down to writing. All over the notebook and his chin, it is his saliva he is rubbing. My dog is my best friend. All my mistakes he does mend. Whenever I spell something wrong, correcting it does not take him long. He wipes it with drool. Believe me, it is super cool. Children, you can use your own tune or rhythm and recite the poem. Let us see new word meanings. First, B-U-D-D-Y. Buddy means friend. Second, M-E-N-D. Mend means make better. Third, S-A-L-I-V-A. Saliva means the watery liquid in the mouth. Fourth, P-R-O-F-E-S-S-I-O-N. Profession means occupation or line of work. Fifth, D-R-O-O-L. Drool means saliva falling from the mouth. Children, in this poem, a boy shared the story of his unique reading buddy. Let us start with the first stanza. My dog is my reading buddy. Together we read and study. He always answers each of my question as if that's his profession. Children, here the boy says his pet dog is his reading buddy. We read and study togetherly. Whenever the boy get confused, his pet dog used to answer each of his question, as that is his profession. Children, here you can see the pet dog plays role of a mentor for the boy. Children, it is not necessary you should have only human being as a friend. Your friend can be any animal with whom you can spend your day and have more fun and learning. Also, you can see the bonding between the boy and his pet. Children, here I would like to share about my pet. When I was in the class 1 or 2, I often used to go to my grandmother's house, means in my nannyal. I remember my nanny and me used to take care of our pet dog. My pet dog name was Sheru. He used to guard our house and cowshed. Once in the cowshed, a snake arrived. Before it attacked or harmed to any animal, Sheru started barking loudly. Then we all came to know that a snake arrived in our cowshed, and my family members and other people saved the cattle. This is how Sheru saved the domestic animals. Children, now I have a pet cat, Pearl, at my home. I would like to share to show you all. Hello, Pearl. Oh, how are you? Say hello to all. Hello. Hello, Pearl. Hello. Pearl. Hello. 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 Wait. Let us go to the next stanza. But the real fun will begin when he gets down to writing. All over the notebook and his chin, it is his saliva he is dropping. Children, the boy says, here the real fun will begin when his pet dog gets down to write something. As dogs keep their mouth open and secrete saliva from their mouth. When the pet dog begin to write over the notebook, all over the notebook and his chin, it is his saliva he is dropping. Let us go to the next stanza. My dog is my best friend. All my mistakes he does mend. Whenever I spell something wrong, correcting it does not take him long. He wipes it with drool. Believe me, it is super cool. Children, here the boy says, my dog is my best friend. All my mistakes he does mend. Whenever I do some mistakes, My friend, my pet dog used to make better or mend them. Whenever I spell something wrong without taking time, he used to correct the mistakes. Children, here the pet dog once again plays the role of a mentor or a true friend. As a mentor or a true friend guide us whenever we follow the wrong path. Our mentor or a true friend helps us to find the correct or right path and makes our life brightful. Let us see last two lines. He wipes it with drool. Believe me, it is super cool. Drool meaning is saliva falling from mouth. Here the boy says, my pet dog cleans his extra excess of saliva with its tongue. When the dog cleans his mouth, believe me, it is super cool, says the boy. Children, here we have finished the poem with explanation. Let us go to the next page, page number 70. I write. Children, question number 1 is match the following words with their meanings. As we learnt the meaning of new words, children, you have to match the pairs by your own. And the second bit in the question number 1 is make sentences by your own. Children, use following words and make sentences by your own in your notebook. Write in your notebook. Question number 2 is what is the poem about? Write in 3 or 4 lines. Children, do it by your own. Write answer in your own words. Let us go to the next practice at home. Read the poem at your home with your parents. Question number 2. Do you wish to have a unique friend or pet with whom you would like to spend time and do things? Imagine what he or she would like and draw him or her. Then write a few sentences about the activities you would like to do together. Do this in your notebook. Children, here we will stop. Let us meet in the next e-learning class with new topic. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.